In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a sequence diagram in Lucidchart. So there's a bunch of different ways to do this. The first one is the most manual and from scratch. So when you open up your canvas, your document, you want to go to the left here, and then you have a bunch of different shapes you can just put on here, and that way then create your sequence diagram. So you could even go to the top and search for example, sequence like this. There we go, and you can go and of course add these on here and create your diagram this way. That's the first way to do it. The second one, you could go and click in templates, and here you could just type in sequence and then diagram like that, and you're gonna have a bunch of different kind of templates over here, which you can either preview or use, and then you can go from here. So if I click on use here, it's going to pop it on over here. I can then go and customize it. I can do whatever I want. Or the third way, which is quite convenient, is using AI. So if I just go to the top over here and click on Lucid AI, I can just describe what I want to see. So for example, I want a sequence diagram of and I'm just going to do ATM withdrawal, okay? Just like this, there we go. And then I'm going to press this button here, and it's going to start analyzing the details. It's going to start figuring it out, and then it's going to eventually generate me a diagram over here on my canvas, which is the best part. I can just customize, I can move it around, I can do whatever I want with it, and this only takes a few seconds. As you can see, it's already done, and it says I couldn't do it for this prompt. Do you want the basic withdrawal flow only? So of course I wasn't specific enough, so I can just go ahead and type a basic withdrawal only, and then it's going to go and do that for me over here, which you'll be able to see in a second. And yeah, of course, if it puts you back like a step and it says like you need some more info, just make sure you put the info, and just like this, I now have a sequence diagram about an ATM withdrawal over here. And yeah, that's basically how this works. You can go and now customize this, you can move parts around, you can go and change it, etc. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.